I'm Cynthia Brown, and this is a student's guide to navigating the underground. Today I have 2 classes in Kappa's London Centre, so follow me today as I navigate the underground tube from where I stay in Sutherland. A useful tool to have is an app called City Mapper. All you need to do is enter your desired location and then follow directions. Another tip that I would give is to familiarize yourself with the local area. Get to know where your underground station is. Mine is Warwick Avenue. And when I arrive at this station, I make sure to remember my Oyster card. This card is provided by Kappa and will take you through zones 1 and 2 of the English Underground. But you must make sure to tap into the tube to access the trains. Today, I am taking the Bakerloo line to Paddington. I find going on the Underground is a relaxing time to listen to music or catch up on some reading before you get to your destination. From here, I transfer to the District line. The Circle line, which is our usual route, has been having complications, so taking the District line to Earl's Court was a better alternative. Another important thing to remember is to tap out using the same Oyster card when leaving the train station. From Earl's Court, I took a short walk to Kappa's London Centre on Cromwell Street. Always look for the red doors to mark the location. With this Oyster card, you can access all that London has to offer and truly enjoy your time here.